Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your posts on your subreddit. Well, scheduling posts on your subreddit helps maximize visibility and engagement by targeting times when the community is most active. Instead of posting randomly and risking your contents getting buried, scheduling allows you to align with peak traffic times, which increases the chances of interactions. Anyhow, let's schedule a post. So to schedule a post, go to Scheduled Posts and Events tab under More Tools. And then click on Schedule a Post. Here, write your post, give it a title, assign a flair, and then click on this clock icon. Here, select the time and date, and you can make changes in the other options if you want, but instead of making any changes, I'm just clicking on Save, and then click on Schedule to schedule the post. And here you can see that the post has just been scheduled. And if you want, you can delete it, edit it, and post it right away. And when it will be posted, this is how it will look like. And this is how you can schedule your posts on your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.